Want to wake up your garden fast and skip wasting money this spring? I'm about to show you exactly how I'm doing it, plus dirt cheap hacks for bulk compost and free wood chips. Let's go! Hey friends, it's Tim from Organic Backyard Gardening. I'm in New Hampshire and getting my garden ready after a long winter. Today I'm sharing exactly how I'm prepping my beds, saving money, and getting ready for a massive harvest. If you're setting up your spring garden too, stick around. You're not going to want to miss these tips. My raised beds took a beating this winter. I didn't mulch properly last fall, so now I've got weeds creeping in. I'm hand pulling these weeds and doing a quick top dress with fresh compost. But first, I'm doing a few quick repairs, tightening screws, swapping out rotted posts. And some of these untreated beds are 8 years old. They don't need to be pretty, they just need to hold dirt for another season or two. I'm skimming weeds off the top layer, and my chickens love this part. Then I'm adding bulk compost. Here's the hack. Instead of buying 50 bags at the box store, I get full 2 yards of organic compost delivered. It only cost me $123 delivered. Pro tip, Google organic compost near me. Find suppliers, call them, and ask if they deliver. You'll save 50% or more versus buying bags at the big box store. If you need to figure out how much compost you need, I built a free calculator. The link is down below. Last fall, I laid down weed barrier and wood chips, but you know how it goes. Grass always finds a way in. I'm topping off the path with fresh wood chips and using the app Chip Drop. Heads up, it's free, but you have to take the full truckload. Sometimes it can be up to 20 yards. It's totally worth it if you have the space. Now here are some bonus prep tips. Start a compost pile now. It's free fertilizer for the fall. Save leaves and grass clippings. This is gold for your soil. Mulch as soon as you plant. You'll save hours of weeding later. I like to use grass clippings as my mulch. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, and hey, if you need a shortcut for planning out your garden with custom layouts and schedules, check out Plan My Garden. I'll link it down below. And don't forget to check out all our other helpful gardening videos on our channel. See you in the next video.